In other news, several villages in Kajiado Central sub-county, Kajiado County, continue to bear the brunt of raging flash floods that have left residents stranded. According to the locals, floods occasioned by the recent heavy rains have washed away bridges, making several roads impassable.
These were the scenes in several villages in Kajiado Central sub-county, Kajiado County. Heavy rains witnessed in the area recently have resulted in flash floods. Residents of Toresei and Logosua villages have been unable to access nearby Ilbisil town to buy foodstuffs and other necessities.
Wale wakukuja kupandili hata kesho tutapeleka watoto wapi subzonal hakuna barabara.
Their only access roads have been damaged by floods and bridges washed away. Dejected residents say their livelihood is at risk, blaming the relevant authorities for poor roadwork networks in the area.
National government tumeona imekatika. Kwa vera leo kuna mchezo pale Lorongoswa, tumeona watoto waendi juu ya hiyo mchezo. Hiyo katika imekatika.
They want the county government to improve the road infrastructure in the area, saying they have been neglected.
The leaders from MP, governor, MCS, any other person. Watutengeneze hii river, hii hapa inaitwa mashini. Hakuna kwenda tena. That is the end of the story. Na sio hii tu peke yake, iko mingi hapa kwa barabara.
Last year, more than 10 people were killed by floods and property was destroyed in the entire county.